Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discussed about the text and font properties. So we already see the one of the text property, that is changing the text color with the help of color property, right? So apart from that, here we are going to be learn a few more properties are there. So one is align property, which is used to changing the position of text, and a text decoration, by using which we are going to be remove the underline effects, or we can add a underline effect, strike out lines like that. And we can also use it to transform alphabetical cases from one case to another case. Okay, so this is about the text property. Whereas coming to the font property, so by using font property, we are going to be change the font face, like if you want to be present the text in a Times New Roman font, you can use a font family, and you can increase the size of font, or you can also decrease. And we can apply the italic format by using a font style, and we can use a font weight for increasing the thickness of fonts. Okay, which means bold, bolder, or you can display in a lighter version also. Some of the examples widely used in real time is, for example, the default nature of H1 element is displaying the text in a bold, right? So if you want to be remove that boldness, so you can use the font property. So that is a font hyphen weight, so give a normal version, so which means it doesn't display your H1 element in a bold fashion. So observe it, it removes the boldness of your H1 element. And another advantage of this font is we are going to be change its style. Okay, that means font face, for which we use a font family. For example, we have a Jokerman font family is a, let apply it, so which changes our font family also. Okay, and coming to the text property, one of the widely used functionality is, by defaultly your anchor tag displays the text in a blue color and with the underline effect, right? So if you want to be remove that underline effect, so you can use text property. In that, text decoration we are going to be use. Take a anchor tag, use a text decoration hyphen line, so hyphen line, so use none here. So observe the output of hyperlink, so it removes the underline effect for the hypertext. So this is commonly we seen in Google search engine. Whenever you give a keyword, it displays various results, search results. Okay, so each and every link doesn't have underline effect, right? So which is performed with the help of text decoration line property. Okay, so these are the widely used functionalities or properties in a real time world. Okay, so that's it about text and font property. See you in next video. Thank you.